Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of saffron cultivation, a spice that not only adds flavor and color to our dishes but also holds immense economic value. Join us on this journey as we explore how to grow saffron and understand its cost per kilogram. First things first, saffron comes from the crocus sativus flower. To cultivate saffron, you need to prepare well-draining soil and plant the saffron combs in late summer or early autumn. These combs will gradually multiply, giving rise to delicate purple flowers with crimson stigmas. When the flowers bloom, it's time to carefully handpick the stigmas, which are the saffron threads we treasure. The process is labor-intensive, as it takes thousands of flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. Now, let's talk about the cost. Saffron is often considered the most expensive spice in the world, and its price per kilogram varies significantly based on factors like quality, origin, and market demand. On average, high-quality saffron can cost anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per kilogram. But why is saffron so expensive? Well, it's because of the meticulous cultivation process, the need for extensive manual labor, and the fact that each flower produces only a few threads of saffron. Additionally, saffron's unique flavor, color, and medicinal properties contribute to its high market value. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy farming.